Hello and welcome to this MOC showcase. This LEGO engine has been about a year in the making, with the design going from this to this. Before I go into the build, I feel I should give a little background of the real thing. The Jintys were a class of steam engine designed by Henry Fowler for the London, Midland and Scottish Railway, often shortened to LMS. Upon the outbreak of World War II, they were originally chosen to be the standard shunting engines, but the more modern Hunslet austerity was chosen instead. Thankfully, 9 of these engines have been preserved thanks to their large numbers and acclaimed performance. I can trace my steps back to September of 2023 with a rough and scarcely detailed Jinty. Looking back now, I can see all the errors. The dome was too stumpy, the firebox was not long enough, and the whole engine was just too short. The second iteration I could find was from the beginning of October 2023, with a lengthened firebox, more details and a cleaner running board. This is also when I started looking into powering options. My first thought was to use the powered up system, as the wheel spacing was the exact same. After testing in studio, it turned out to be impossible without compromising the bodywork. After this, I took a break from the design. A while later, I was experimenting with circuit cubes, a system developed by Tenka Incorporated. This system could work, but I wasn't content with how the battery cube was visible in the cab. Then I was informed by some fellow builders that I could hide the battery underneath the firebox, and it fit perfectly. After this, there were still some modifications I wanted to make. I decreased the length of the roof by a stud, and designed a cab interior with the newly blank space. I also made the side tanks and roof removable for accessing the cab and the battery box. The circuit cubes took a while to arrive, so I built a placeholder, and once they did, I wasted no time in building it into the model. I also ordered parts from Big Ben Bricks and Breckland Bricks. I've put a link to their websites in the description. And the model was done. All that was left to do was to add stickers with my Brickish Railways logo and the number on the cab side and the smoke box door. The completed model is 8 studs wide and 22 studs long, and luckily it has no problems going around curves or points. Now I'll leave you with some footage of the engine running on a home layout. Thanks for watching and have a great day.